Wagwan ENT.
Well, my selector man, love the song. Look where I want you do. Take the echo out of the mic. Now we can tune microphone. Yeah. Again, put a little bit more eyes on it. Yeah. Right. Good. Them for your man say. Now good night. Where can I rest my bourbon? Let me see. No, we don't rest. Yes. Shorty. Now Holy Power no they up here sit down and discuss about nuts now come. Well, I want to know, say, Romeo is legit. And when him say an artist a come for Rockstar, he's coming. Whether to the dance or upon a girl. Well, all right. I want to give me the thing that cannot done. What them call, what the woman them have under them for boom boom. Give me the punani. Then me not telling no people. Guess what? You see the woman them up at this little village here? Hear this. I meet the girl them after. Woman around me don't forget the fun and laughter. I feel me joke no for the girl them shatter. Fi make them drop a dirty and lay down in a water. Me tell them say what? I must say can make me heat. That as me talk everybody a kin teeth. Who no drop a dirty land in a rubbish heap. I did over me joke and the one they too sweet. But me la laugh till I eye them all weep. Betty laugh around go lick up in a concrete. Angela lay down as a large she feel weak. It's sweet her so much she all beg me to repeat. And that's why I meet the girl them after. Woman around me don't forget the fun and laughter. I feel me joke no for the girl them shatter. Set. We tell them, quiet. People, bone top of than a throat. She did a laugh and she get yam curry goat. Who know na car back, cause if I that make she choke. Suppose me did fi tell her about the dread and the me bun a joke pan she ran with canned up and boat. She laugh and go away and I come back with note. I tell me say she pregnant and she want child support. Me tell her run on me come in a run picnic joke. Woman when I laugh, at them me love meat. Come and tell me say that them laugh no come cheap when me say like a Oliver and turn on the eat. I ground them they are dead and all of that rotten teeth. Me make girl laugh so till them ball out for help. Woman laugh till them all pull them. When me look down at she foot, me say water start pelt. Now we with the woman, now we up ourselves. That's why I made the girl them after. Woman around me don't figure the fun. For fun can't done. We no bullshit. Quiet! I said, quiet. Me say quiet cause we no start shout lyrics yet. Who no hear not even peace. Who no quiet if you no want to hear the lyrics no? Me say quiet. Play the rhythm low, let me talk to them. Who no see some DJ? When them come a dance and just a go on like them tough. But you me have to tell them. When make some DJ so dry, figure people joke. Me say them not even try. No little kiki, no little lullaby. All them the panna just murder a die. But pussy in a bag, that was a dance samfai. Them can't sell we nothing where we no one buy. If you are Brutus, you better try turn papaya and start get people joke before we make back a fly. That's why I rather be jokify than be an entertainer where they make people sigh. They chat about gun and who from a again fly. Me rather go no joke till you no belly bust by. Enough stage show me go make people cry. Make man laugh till them lay down. A brother thump off me and I said, me not tell no lie, you make me lose my false teeth, but I feel satisfied. That's why I meet the girl them after. Woman around me low. Sit! Quiet! And let me juggle. Now I have another little juggling here. I have a nice piece of juggling. You understand me? And I want to start the music and let me give them this juggling about the girl them turn good up at this place here. The woman them turn good. When they must come from Hollywood. Because I see a girl in a one shots a while ago. Guess what me say? The girl turn good, take a look at the body. The girl turn good, take a look at the woo. The girl turn good, the hairstyle no shabby. The girl turn good, from the head to the woo. The girl turn good. What? Me say the pretty little girl is good. Listen to juggling now. Well, she no crush up like a lettuce in a market. Skin looks smooth like a sand and rub off it. How me coulda see the body there and a pass it. Girl turn good, who no have to hawks it. Get the body there, me knock it up in a orbit. My Winchester, that are the target. Well, who no catch me all bite my fingernail off a crab it. Ready me ready for dog because the girl turn good. Take a look at the body, the girl turn good. Have a look at the woo, the girl turn good. The hairstyle no shabby. The girl, listen man, the girl turn good. What? Me say the pretty little girl is. What is the secret? Me know you're not thief it. You got a piece of body there, me love how you treat it. No man not beat it. You not ill treat it. Cannibal a road all a plan figure heat it. Closer you wear, not genuine leather pleated. Listen lyrics, boy. Listen lyrics, man. Cause you do not hear nothing yet. Me say. What is the secret? Me know you not thief it. You got a piece of body that me love how you treat it. No man not beat it. You not ill treat it. Cannibal a road all a plant figure eat it. Closer you wear, not genuine leather pleat it. Me soon find out where you got underneath it. If a Calvin Klein or Victoria's Secret. Little more a plan, me a plan figure meet it. Full of argument, but we have figure defeat it. She fruit them ripe, and me must have to reap it. Girl, it's like the body where you have to swallow me head and I beat it. Well, if me get it, me keep it, cause the girl turn good. Take a look at the body, the girl turn good. Have a look at the woo, the girl turn good. Hairstyle no shabby, the girl turn good. From the head to the woo, the girl turn good. What? Me say the pretty little girl is, yeah, you know, girl. Well, if your mother kick you out, me we take you and set you. Not check me we check you. Y'all me say the reason why me have to select you, cause you not box bout, and that's why me respect you. Y'all me say nobody make your friend them make you. Keep no only per man fi none of them come wreck you. If you even plan for them and check them woulda forget you. How would I go resurrect you? Cause the girl turn good. Take a look at the body, the girl turn good. Have a look at the woo. Come man. And hold it. Why me no say? Boy, I don't love. Well, all right. What you say? You don't want a new lyrics? You don't want to hear a new lyrics? All right, me know not bad for all kind of long time lyrics, you know. I wish Holiday had come up here now. I wish Holiday. No man, a Christmas man. Get to the fucking point. Christmas. Now all of the girls them I know so them have to get money for Christmas. Say hi. All of the girls them I know so them have to be independent for Christmas. I want to hear them scream. Okay, them I get fucked. You know why them have to get fucked? Because what? Are you are the man? Them can't fuck you. You do that. Play the rhythm, let me tell them what the girl them want. All girls. Now just go now and look a sneak preview of a new piece. Girls. Show them say your man make you go shopping for Christmas. Cause the whole of them have it sit down and a discuss. But you not gonna get no money for the. Hey, them a got dead when you Christmas, girl. But of course, your man make you go shopping for Christmas. But then we debated and the dress away this bus. After this a Christmas, girl, you know if you go take bus. Cause you must have a Lexus, yes. But of course, girl, me say, are you the man treasure? You the man love him, I go mind you forever. Of course, girl, a chat and them a dollar beggar. Them a, you know what? You know what? Happy. You know what? Make them go buy that pan record. Look more I go no 2 more new piece. We're not gonna buy that pan record. You can't buy it.
$65.
How much? How much for 45? You're cheap. Anyway, let me clear my head. Why are you nice like a them girl from Portmore? Wait them my youths. We're not chill no youths. We're not chill no youths. Make we go down in a rhythm. Let go the rhythm. Well, all right. Hold on. You see, from me come, you with them answer. Jimmy Bass come. Everybody does Jimmy. Look what me I go do now. Look what me I go do with them now. Now go give them Jimmy. If them punch me like jukebox again, me give them with them one. But you know, see when me ready for reload the new lyrics them. Oh no, don't fuck with my mental capacity. Who know we get tea? Come. This is your Jimmy Bass come. You have been killing me for. How when me tell them say it name bad Jimmy it name bad Jimmy come catch me bad Jimmy. Yeah, you know. Yes, yo we are go tell you no more. Yes, yeah man. Me I go tell you about a little man named Jimmy. We live down surrounds on your country. Drink white rum, gin, vodka, brandy. And when him drunk, him kind of maddy. Long about a week before the reggae sun splash. Me see Jimmy the Abara drink rum and squash. Junk no brown dog, breath smell hash. A stagger 2 side like a stunted wasp. Me know Jimmy 10, enough time we clash. And me know say Jimmy so well like a moly punash. What if him junk wa kiss me eyelash? That we tell you where they catch up and the way GHC wash long. In a the bar, me see Jimmy go so buff. Dip for some cash, give it the mash. Me say, Jimmy boy, you're full of cash. Your boss man must give you a bone. Him say me no work for people your favor riff raff. Son of boss boy can't come angle me rush from me. To niggle from last year August who. Me chat big from down in a Christmas. Me say wait the Jimmy you in a buy and sell. Him say what buy and sell you think no conch shell. If I that me did for do me woulda dead till me swell me in a better than that me in a thief and sell. Me say oh no man. Well it's like that Jimmy. I don't know you as a thief. Him say your favor dopey. Me no see no sour face man me thief like a me because I like me use thief milk out a coffee. Me say, all right then. Well, you have to show me. If you don't show me, me not believe it. Him say, boy, make sure say you're not chatty. I would have killed you if you tell nobody. Him say, me thief 2 gas cylinder from January. Sell them to me in a February. Then thief them from me and go sell me. If me cook 2 times. Well, I lucky, she lucky. Thief them from me and go sell them to Teddy. And them down at Teddy yard. Right now half empty. And me I go at Sunsplash and them a come with me. Come here if you make a money for a couple white Teddy. But like search. Yeah. We no bullshit. Catch it. Rhythm. Me not done yet. Ice cream.
Wagwan ENT.
Yeah, you know. Hey, bad like Jimmy, you a fit. Bad like Jimmy, you a fit. Bad like Jimmy, you a fit. Yeah, you know. No, yo. One day Jimmy wheel and turn and go in a one shop and say, sell me 1 bun and give me 2 pound of cornmeal before I say it done. He go turn for me dog when me left and go down. Him fly out of the liquor shop and run left blossom. When him reach in him yard, him slam the gate. Bang! 2 smoke make everybody run. Me go look, come me check same house a bun down. Guess what? Jimmy catch up and wood fire upon the ground. I turn the cornmeal where him buy a Mr. Chung. Yeah! Upon the ground, you know him jam and sit down. I turn the little car Sam need to give the puppy when it done. When Jimmy cook it done, the puppy run come. Just in time to catch Jimmy with a spoon and yam sub. The puppy goes and Jimmy look down and say, see how you mean, dog? Move your blouse tongue. Me I grow you for your puppy when you're young. And now you get big till our teeth in your gum. You know, why go look now walk every day you lie down and want to live a family like you and my grandson. Me also know dog I walk a chip some. Me also dog I get bank with gun. And then the dog they bring money come. Me also dog I build big outside that stadium. The poor dog sit down and look on Jimmy Bass come and wag him tail two side and I lick him tongue. When Jimmy side that him fling the big spoon and go and just grab up the dog like a macalum I said. So me attack a yagwan like a dumb and I'll make monkey face and I'll go to town. Yes, in my tongue can me. You not get none. You have to bring a money come if you want the band. Bad like to be. Search. Yeah. We no bullshit. Yes, I. We no bullshit. Yeah. Huh. We're not satisfied with you, Jimmy. See Botany a punch me. See jukebox come, little John. Mr. Johnny Wonder. Mr. Johnny Wonder. I want you come up here before me start get mad in this place, you know. Mr. Johnny Wonder, I want you to come up here now. And don't disrespect my feelings because I like how you sing. Sing. And here's my, yeah, where your brother? Where am I hide for? Little John. Don't tell me say I rode him down. Or some woman drop him. In got sex. Well, all right then. Since Little John now come, now for just deal with the case. Well, all right, here's a current. Before I give about them boy, play the rhythm low. Make we talk about them boys. Them boys. Girls, don't make them bite on the pum pum. Michelle. Teeth no figure against that the tongue. Man, for keep them mouth clean. When me a chat about? When me a chat about Rasta man. Man mouth for keep clean because what? Man talk up in a man face. Me say so. So a man not to suck pum pum. Yeah, hear me now? Some guys, them a cannibal. They couldn't eat from underneath the girl. What do you do with it original? But if a guy do that, it gonna be critical. Some guys, them a cannibal. They couldn't eat from underneath the girl. What do you do with it original? Yeah, you know? Yeah. I'm the professor, I'm not a guesser. Rubber dub aggressor. Bubbling on the mic with a percentage of my power pressure. Girls love me, why? Me a caresser. Does them like a figure, then I put them on my dresser. Yes, sir. I'm a Jamaican and I'm sweet or to be. Don't eat the meat between both the girls' feet. Me a no freak, me nah go do it. You see, back home they call me. Listen. Yeah. Yeah. Again, listen. I'm the professor, I'm not a guesser, rubber dub aggressor, bubbling on the mic with a percentage of my power pressure. Girls love me, why? Me a caresser, does them like a figure, then I put them on my dresser. Yes, sir. I'm a Jamaican and I'm sweet or to be. Don't eat the meat between both the girls' feet. Me a no freak, me nah go do it. You see, back home they call me original, Mr. Do It Sweet. From the neck to the breast I go. I don't go below the waist, no, that's a low blow. And if you think I am a low pro bro, to go below to blow, get out of here, girls. Hey! oh. Hey, Mr. Yo, listen me now. This a no girls that bow, you feel low them. People chow, shoot me down with a gun right now. Them have to shoot me like a cow. Yo, Professor Nabo. Some guys, them a cannibal. Hey, boy, take your head from underneath the gal. Hey, boy, what you do with it original? And from me book up a guy, do that it gonna be critical, yes. Some guys, them a cannibal. Hey, guy, take your head from underneath the gal. Yeah, hear me now? I know man one bow. I know man alone bow. I know man alone. We say no man alone bow. Woman do it too. I know man alone. Play low like that. Okay. You see when time the night start make us know. It disturbed me and my lyrics. Now I again beg you know. Yaga ya. Yaga ya. Yaga ya. Me know you pay your money still, but listen me, bro. Well, alright, I enjoyment still, you know. Me know it can't tear down still, but yeah. Simple. Simple. Watch me now. I went to New York City. I want like a pretty little ass man. She short about so. But you have some Puerto Rican girl, may I tell you, they make some Jamaican girl look like fuck. We saw them shape like balloon. Yeah. Yes, I. Yeah, you know. Yes, I. So when we go to New York City, me, Papa, son, and Malibu. And I walk down 42nd Street. You know where a girl look for me and say, you know what I do? Play the rhythm low. People. Yo, the controversy, me can't take it over here so still, you know. If they them come for listen lyrics, you know, just listen. If you don't want me go to the mic and on the DJ, see it. See, yo, the controversy down now still, you know. I can just chill so now, you know, and go and listen to lyrics, you know. Yes, I'm here work, but you sound like you work alongside me. You know, if you feel nice, just go and listen lyrics and you feel nice as start. Less argument, see? Yeah. We say people, play it low. Guess what? I'm not foreign with me and this girl now. Me say, what? Down goes the sun, up comes the night, flickering bright in the side, striped tights. Look in the light, she was on the side. Invite her home to my house that night for a bite, right? Kentucky and Sprite by the candlelight. Very polite, she said, yo, mate, the food is right, but it's like for you, I got an appetite. The girl unbuckled my belt was tight. She fight left to right, pull my pants, then she grab my pipe. In a fright, I said, yike, what you doing? She said, blow your mic, I won't bite. Me say, yeah, right. With those big ass lips and teeth to bite out me daylight, you remind me of fright night. Girl, if you don't stop blowing pipe, one other night when you hype, you're gonna feel. Come with it. Stop it. Who is the selector? Oh. Yes, bro. Now tell me, say, when you come a party, man, you're not still in a controversy over this. How do them, man? Let me tell you something. When a man come a party, when a man come a dance, a man come to enjoy himself, you know? Yeah. A man can drink a liquor, yeah. Right? A man can drink a liquor, but a man must know if he control that. Yeah, can't make a liquor control you. So, when an entertainer come from all the way, funk, and I drive me driving, I ride me riding, because bike can't take off lick. And look where me I come from now for entertain and appear nice, yeah. I better only just skip it. Johnny, I want you come bust one tune, man. I want you come sing one song. Make you lick some combination. Liquor John, excellent youth, man. Liquor John, man. Blood clean. Liquor John. I mean Big John. Yeah, Big John. Because him not look little. Now, ladies and plenty men, I am going to start a show. And we don't want to form an animosity again. Because it's very discouraging. For when a man come for comment at you, know, once a time, yeah, you know. Little John, I want you lick down. Yeah.
I'm not tell a professor. Well, enough respect people. You don't know Little John about and we love you. Saying, Johnny Ringo, don't worry yourself. Well, Bush Paul, don't worry yourself. Mr. Music, will you please play? Juggle. What me girl all over me. In a nice style. Little John in a nice style. Hey, Kentucky, all over me, girl, all over me, and all over. Will! I'm now point it out, man. Why my shit up again? Johnny in the place from when? You up now? Listen, come take it all over me, girl, all over me, and all over me, girl, all over me. She no ramp with me, but me say she clean me belly, and inna the bed she a fi. You are, can me say massive? Are you ready? Run come to Little John Rocksteady. What do you think of that? Nobody give me that, they can like a ship, but up. Will! A rockstar, man, an original rockstar. Original rockstar. We don't drink a rum bar. Why? What do you think of that? No me come, dance all tear down. No me come, dance all tear down. Me coming like a bullet where you come out of a gun. Them no say Little John, we go mash it down. No, when you don't think of that, listen to this. When me sing, say, look how them work us so hard. Okay. Wool! I'm gonna point it out, man. I'll be a hit show. Johnny Ringo. Don't worry. I want Ringo. I'm gonna tell him, man. I'm gonna see the Clark's booty. Don't buy me. She ran up pregnant. Don't buy me. All over me. Don't buy me. Yeah, little low. Touch his style. I'm gonna make you my tonight, my babe. Woo! I'm gonna point it out, man. What are people full of rocks? Stop! But hear me I say, I want to know so well, I want to know so well, don't know so Rockstar and lose no clash. Don't burn down the place. See? Where Springfield, my own town people, no Little John loving it. With him.
Wagwan ENT.
Look! It didn't look how them hurt us so hard. I can't feel me name go by Bradford. I top of me smoke and down. You are. I'm not afraid of flashing over my back. I'm not afraid of flashing on no.
We not made that Little John, yo. We not made that biggie ding. We not made that Little John, yo. We not made that Governor General. We get that one. The personal that 97 to 98 man I go international. So no follow no friend, no follow no company. Turning a criminal. If you're turning a criminal,
well, again. Hear the big tune. I want to know so well and I'll be a hit we sing. And I want to play this slow. Listen to this. Well, I'm a laugh it off with the well I treated the good. I should rub by your tongue, make me cry. Rock it. Wool! I'll be a big tune. John, why my mash it up again. I can give them play, yeah. Stand by mash it up. Rockstar! What do you think of that? Well, I'm laughing that for the well I treated that so cool. And she broke my heart and made me cry. Broke any rule and that's fine too. Confession she carried my story. Hitting the magazine. And then all of a sudden the weather she goes on. And she still bottled. Wool! My true confession, my true Listen! Well, I'm a laugh with the full of well, sitting in a circle. I shape up by that and made me cry. Broke any rule and that's fine. True. Confession she carried my story. Hitting the magazine. And then all of a sudden when she goes on, and she still would listen to me. But when I call her up and I apologize, she tell me, say she love little Johnny indeed. But I'm afraid that till the rest of life, because I know she would listen to me. Lord, I know she would listen to me. Lord, because I know she would listen to me. She don't wanna hear a word what I say. What can't you see?
I tell them say it name, bad boy lyrics it name, bad man lyrics it name, wicked man lyrics it name, bad man lyrics. Me say badness. A bad boy love chuck it. When you buck a bad boy, you better miss no prick. When bad man a come to win a the Honda Civics, who feed them a go kill and we feed take a get a report. Me sight a bad boy down a me mama district. Took up in a one corner with a prismatic from underneath him dark cause he made them a prepper. A line up in Bridging pan a supermarket. Me searching sharp like up a last night them joke it. For a pint of white milk and couple pack of cheese shit. Liquor shut up at the Chinese man no make him panic. When police are come they will let them go China athletic. Say no.
Will! Hey! Why that tell a DJ? Will!
And memories. Go on again, little John.
Whoa, boy! Yeah, more, I didn't know. Fling your foot, every man say fling your foot, fling your foot, fling your foot, every man say fling your, here what? Fling out your foot because your shoes brand new. Make them know I say your shoes brand. Here what? Roll up your foot and show your clocks booty. Show a crowd that people say your trash are red. Wool! Them now point it out, man, I be a big chunk. Wanna think of that? Hey! Hey! Respect for the love for the reggae boys that are dealing. Let me soon on for that one, yeah. Reggae boys, them with blood in them eye. Reggae. Will! Will! Them now point it out, man. Whoa, whoa. Balling for the reggae boys. And this time come with later on from this. And this, look. Blood in them eye. Reggae boys with blood in them eyes. And then they are with blood in them eye. Reggae boys with blood in them eye. You will look for them and tell them, say. All them a gwan and a tabo fi cool. Come fi show them a the reggae boys rule. See then now boom one more dead. All we fling that in them that make them know the Jamaican no easy. Because them know we wicked and easy. Make them know we rough and rugged. We they are with blood in our eye.
Well, little John, yeah, you know. Town people consider us as country people. But me respect you know, because I don't make town people nyam. I want to grow the food for make town people nyam. Me say, oh no fi park it, listen when me talk it. Love the country people when them come fi sell a market. Listen fi talk it, listen when me talk. Yeah, yeah, me now town people. Me sing say, well, before the sun come up, country people come down. Pack up in the truck fi come sell food a town. Who no have a stall a sell food pan the ground. Banana by the and a yellow yam by the pound. No. Country people them no trouble no man. When them pack up in the truck where them a come from. Who know they call them a gagot and not this the program. Who know fi cool and listen Professor Sam me say fi. Who know fi pocket. Listen when me talk it. Loud the country people when them come fi sell. Hey, listen me, listen me, listen me, listen fi low. Yeah, I'm coming, John. Hey, hey.
Why, John, why mash it up again? You up low now. And I never thought I'd feel this way. As far as I'm concerned, that I've got a chance to say. And if we can remember. Yeah, but look for the reggae boys, the man say. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can flap a boy together. For sure, that's what the reggae boys for. In good times and bad times, I'll be by your side for. Sing that part out with me now, man. And that's what the reggae boys for. Play it again, play it again. I see that tune now. Go on, me sing that tune now. I see that tune now. Go places from way back when, and I want to help me sing this. I want you to play it low. Play it low for me. That's why you're missing. Say what you say. Come on, people. Do. Come on. Cause I've. Sing out, money can. Because. Crowd of people. Again I sing. I love this little girl of mine. Ooh. Where's the notes?
Boy, little John, you are the wickedest singer. Yeah, you me know. All of the man them we are this the woman them. Yeah, you me know. I can tell some woman a bad man. Woman is a bad man. Yeah, you me. No boss, no sweat. I say no sweat, no boss. No sweat, no boss. Sweat, no me say no. No boss. No sweat, no sweat, no sweat. Me say that no sweat, no boss. No girl can get you nervous. You have to run, go drape up the girl Antoinette, and you never the shape. Feeling long, Carol, want to be like. Thing about culture, and when she look at the grave, keep a chief, he drop a fan than a grave. The commander Andy and Elena stand up. You make she hold the curry goat and butter up with. Grab up Betty, she run and need a girl escape. Thereafter, it's a baby doll and make she evacuate. Alright, cut. Bumbo. You have some bad woman, you know. But anyway. Enough thing we have to say, you know. You want another rhythm? Alright. Go for the mission. We don't have the intermission. Alright. Yes. Ringo. Ringo, the original Gringo. Gringo. Ringo. Ringo and the golden pistol.
Ringo, come in. I don't know how people them listen now. Where Ringo there?
Ringo and the golden pistol. Ringo and the golden pistol. When him a come original. Man, when him a come original. Or when me say, Ringo and the golden pistol. Ringo and the golden pistol. That them man a shoot no partial. Have 20 girl approach royal. Him no drive up in a rental. Ringo. Ringo. Let's go down in our story, man. Ringo. Where Ringo there? Okay. See the great old again go to history. Ringo. No far when you don't know Ringo because you're young. Not young enough. When you're young with that N in front. Now when you hear about sound like Jack Ruby, Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, and them man here bust them sound there. Him and Bobby Culture, Louis Ledke, Tyan, Origination, a yellow man, Respect, no peck, pack up, Ringo.
You hear me now? Yo, we are sending some requests to all ganja man. I want to know some of the ganja man them not the place. Hey, stop, give me it from the top. I request to all ganja man at the place. All the man them who love ganja, who don't stop smoke ganja, who want to sit under the year now. Here's a chicha boom. I said one drop. Here you go. Ganja man, them a money man. Ganja man, them a money man. Ganja man, them a money man. Ganja man, you know, hold on. Ganja man, no open up your door without your gun in you one. Until your customer, you must pay attention and put your customer under observation. Your left hand a surgeomatic, now your right hand. Cause where the will? Is it? Request to all, hold it. Right now, we have to give thanks and praise unto the Most High God, you know. Because if God never there, it couldn't be so peaceful and nice in the place. See? And all the reggae boys, God go down now, kawa. And I can't lose this. Run it again now, brush, easy. All right, now we are give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Run the track right away. You have some people remember God, you know. Until them in a problem. Until them sick and upon them dying bed. Here you go. Some people don't remember God. Them only wait till things gone bad. That's the time them go down pon them knee. I beg Jaja fi have mercy. I ring go sing say to Jah. For me say this is requested to Jah. Say Jah is I light, I strength and power. But some man only a mock rasta. Although I no dread, I believe in Jah. You take for instance when some have cancer or on a lonely highway with them wheels puncture. So some remember Jah when them want a dollar. Some say them article but them are in. One more time. Right now, you hear me now? Hold it. Now you said, alright, we'll give them something for the girl them. We'll give something for the girl them right now. Right now, respect to every nice and decent ladies in the place. Mr. Nuts, I'll give them the last one here. One more time on the coachy. Say, Romy, I love that sound, the cleanest sound over here. I'll be a one job. All the girl them, get ready for this now. You're gonna. Die. For me said this one is requested to why. Me go a London, British Airways me fly. Me mommy and me baby mama come wave goodbye. And when the plane take off, me old lady start cry. Jamaicans eat pudding, English name pie. And one thing I don't like with some girl, them lie. Them tell lie dry, even staring at me eye. But what the Ross do them? My. The first time a girl a give me pum pum. Me shy. She say a big star like you are going like a guy. Me cocky couldn't turn up. Why? Me is. Yeah. Come back here, Ringo. One more time, Ringo, because I can bring back a memory upon the culture. Hold it. You see, before I do that tune, there's a man who left my condom, you know. The bareback thing, the skin to skin thing, a 6 foot deep, this is that. We not leave it, see? So request to all the man them who a smoke enough weed and a drink just enough juice. You know, so when time you go home, girl have to feel that. Run that right now. Request to all the man them who no left them condom. A one drop, you know. Take it on low, Romeo. Here you go. Girl, me say fi sit down pon it, girl, you fi sit down pon it. Sit down pon it, girl, you fi sit down pon it. Sit down pon it, girl, you fi sit down pon it. Sit down pon it. Here, no, one drop. Me gal body broad, take her na me yard, suck the titty nipple and she scream, oh Lord! All off me pants, me take off me short, me never stop suck it titty nipple till he cut. She bought me John until he buck inna the gut. When me all it out, the pum pum go. Sit down pan it, gal.
Bombo. Then me not telling no man. That's why we not to underestimate the luck of a lousy calf. Because you know feel say rain got done. You don't know him yet, man. Veteran is vet. Once you're vet, nothing can get you out. Well, you hear me now? Again, those drawback of juggling. That remind me of the days when I stand up with Josie Whale on the right and Charlie Chaplin on the left. I want to give me the culture rhythm. Every man say, this name culture rhythm. Take it down low a little bit. This name culture rhythm. Every man big up Ganja man pan it. Well, me have to go big up all of the man them we are drink pan it. And this remind me of the stereograph days. When me say, we have to junk. Tonight we have to junk. Bang diddling, diddling, diddling. Hey, stand up a skank in front of 2 boxes of beer. Another box on the side that a share. Every man come take a liquor, everybody gone clear. No one no wicked Babylon fi come interfere. Inna me car and me sit down and me steer. Me reach round about me a fi draw a couple gear. Tire punch and me fling and spear. Patch up the punch a one and then me dash in me ear. And me no care. Bang diddling, diddling. The liquor of a share. Lord of mercy. Yes, sit down and meditate pan a piece of stump. Full up me foot them like a Charlene monk. Me show 2 pose a boy check say me junk. And if him come near him would a whole couple come. Yeah. Gone down a sea pan a fisherman hunt. Eat a spratter man me yam some grunt. After me drink me fish tea and inna eat me fine kong. When me girlfriend see me pants front she run with a month. We have to junk. So let's say I say we have face sir. Tell me that, tell me that. How am I bourbon? Yo. Yo. You see all them reading here? What's all thing like them here? Now for them young youth and don't know them lyrics, you know, like all. Guess what me know? Me cry. Down in a port, more me buck up on the seashore. Knock me back door, tell me say she want more. Me say you sure? She say see senior. Then watch me now, oh me say her score. She come in and she sit down and me lock back the door. She asks where the bed? Me say what happened to the floor? Me look pam me watch it was 10:44. Hear me no in a me mind? Time figure explore. Me lock off the light and say go over little much. We're not too fast. It's alright. Now I want to give me. Yeah, man, I want you to give me one of them up tempo. Give me the mission. Give me the mission. Make I tell you no something. Now I want to hold it down. Alright, if I'm going to find it, stop it. Let me tell them something now. You see that song when I go now? A big tune. Vietnam man don't listen to me now. Now you say no dread. No, listen me good enough. Me say no boy where them call dread can't come chat to me. Only Rasta. Yes, dread. I dread them a baby. Only Rasta can't talk to me. Now listen me now. I hear some man zip up them lip when them hear some little guys. This my God. I call my God Batman. Imagine. Every man does stay so. Like him that want to say nothing. No pussy. Call my God Batty boy. I'm take it so. Give me the rhythm. Let me show them boy. They say, oh no, for this, my God. Listen, me man. All the boy them we are this God. This a phone. Juggling. Oh, you mean? Boy, who no fit up, fly up in a God face. A Satan no a follow and a pass on no place. I could no God do no a trace. God a go girl to no. God a go girl and alert to no fit up, fly up in a God face. God a go make you no end up in a disgrace. How many no things say you no safe? God a go, God a go, God a go. Who no blouse and skirt to know? Who know what go sorry say? Who no mother birth to know? When father got taking big and them and girl to know? Lightning and a thunder I go lick and choke. Who no all pervert to know? God I go hurt to know. Madu no make dopey feed and belch and burp to know. Say no go prison make a guy work to know. Kill no dead no then cement and dirt. No one under the earth to know. Well, cause you no make Satan convert to know. Promise you know that him I go comfort to know. And never stop us till him divert to know. Down in a hell go splurt and a flirt to know. Remember that the father did a alert to know. Say that no follow devil in will lurk to know. But you know never follow God do no dirt to know. No God I go sin and curse and revert to know. Fit up fly up in a God face. A Satan you know a follow and a pass to no place. I could no God do no a trace. Yeah I am no play low. Now we no look on all that. Boy I come a chat about Virgin Mary a harlot. Want all the disciples see my pass and call that. Boop boop and bend him up and that 2 baseball bat. Kick my foot fall that. Shot it and all that. Fling that in a gut and make gully dog maul that. Friend them a come we will made them ball that. Boy retaliate will a head and skull that. And if a man a wall that the father hey. A boy a talk about my God a homosexual. And a society but he make you left your girl. Go check yourself before you chat individual. Come out again and go neutral. You never read it. Clad, man. How do you know, man? Sure. This my God. This my God. I know a little dread boy. No Rasta, you know, me love Rasta. I know a little dread boy come say fire. Me say water. Hold fire. Go down. Clad. You hear me? Me say, boy, how no first this my God, who no get I mad, somebody a go die bad, body a go find on a go live in a tie bag, a guy a this my God, and we no see a guy God dead, cause him wicked and lie bad, call my God, guy you know with a tie and eye bad, the pig will say, so you see that today better try that, today we a tie up with I God, top fly up in a God face, 4 minutes, let it go. Sure. You don't think you hear nothing yet? And if a guy want to retaliate, and if a guy ever come retaliate, me just pop off from my waist and say, I wish boy I go there front and I go near when it boss. Boy I come and go like him a little missy stuff. You know what? Let it go. Me not cuss who back on me. He have to test me first. Yeah man. Guys have to test me before me murder them bumbo. Me not chat back on nobody man. For my guy jump up and go yeah. Me yaga ya. Anyway. Yeah, you there eat asham? Oh God. Alright. Stop reading. Let me sip some bourbon. Alright, tonight you hear me? Now give my friend them lyrics, son. Yeah, but under 50. You know, go see the bike coming ride. Where you talk about under 50? At the 50 that, look on it if you know, see 2 the back of the 50. And you know what is the fucking 2? Fertilize the fucking bike and it grow harder than 2 on it. 250. out of here. Yeah, man, we grow bike. What you mean, youth? Vietnam, man. Vietnam, play the rhythm. Eh? Same way. Top chat. Shh. Me say be careful how you poop before tonight done. You might end up with a search. Remember I am mad. Yeah. Nego that. Me say, we no bullshit. We no bullshit. I say be careful how you poop before tonight done. You might end up with a you know. Well, me get a check up from me doctor. Regular, feel me body no end up in a sick disaster. Me yam and banana, fish and flour. I keep porridge, give me body no stamina. Diarrhea go fit take me shake a milk powder. Me na me level jackfruit and 10 gizzard. I go drink 3/4 milk and yam 20 bulla. Then poop, cool no massa. Make a try remember when that happened. Year before last round 10:07. Me did the inner one, me never know full of people. Sit down at the back, very comfortable. Shh. After me put me that kind of frightened because me feel something but me never too certain.
Wagwan ENT.
Better I do but all me know me sit down in a something. One girl where they beside me they look and say, me look on her and say, young lady want She said somebody poop. Me say mine no you no poop all the while and galang like I no no. Same time me hear a old man say, me say quiet. Continue from this up. Fling with him. Let go read him. No wasting no time. Yeah. From that's how when me left off. Play it lower than that. Me say, one girl where they beside me, they look and say, Me look on her and say, young lady want She said, somebody poop. Me say, my no, you no poop all the while and galang like a no uno. Same time me hear a old man say, uno can't smell good, uno nose no open. Poop no smell, so you are hear me people. That's somebody where fat supposed to shit too. 100 did sit. Me say, 100 did sit down. Quiet. Me say, 100 did sit down with a piece of bamboo. Here a man search a dread him did a eat mango. The dread lick him with a bag and say what up with the pan you. You no search on yourself you no have batty too. Everybody get up and start to argue. And so we must find this one kill him with beat. No, me make sure ball out nigga people. Why them always a tepin a dog do be careful of your poo before tonight dude. You might tie up with a body cup. Me say be careful of you before tonight. Not to be sure, to be more precise, full. I never really believe some shit to brown. Till when me go so and feel me thoroughly in a wool. The two side puff to ras, my pants full. Cool now man, better joke than that. Me did fi come off up at the knocks and me a look full. But me a no idiot already bust me bust. He must say one give me wet ear go say what nuts. No fear start this me say go away your head bust. You forget say that me live up at the bus. Stir me no be full of your poo before tonight dude. You might tie up with that. No. The girl when they beside me she come in like just a dig up and a pull up and a look all about. She look at me away and start skin up her mouth. Hear me not in my mind, one day she find out. So said, so done. Me see when she bow, look down at my foot and say, kiss me bull cow. One stop driver let me off now. And this a brother ya shit up the bus to blow out. She look at me shoes, it's like she confused. Listen up. Me say, she look on me shoes, it's like she confused. Me ask her if she love the style. She ball move, then she call one man. I say, have me excuse, sir. Look at that and see if he shit that her shoes. The man start laugh, then me hear him say, man, you shit up yourself. Me say, move and go away, you're too fast. And me did got under. And when the bus drop in a patrol, me did a dash way. The man start laugh, then me say, quiet. Wait. Me say, the man tap laugh, then me hear him say, your dinner smell, so I must say cook drunk. Me say no, I know me dinner if you smell nothing. Well, I must say me tapping a dog dodo. The girl ball out. You lie, you know, sir. You shit up yourself and I blame that for. And a dog do that. Then me shout, then I what? She look on it and said, dog no name buster. She get a piece of stick from a piece of hockey. A man see her and said, sure, what that messy string? She said, me work a public. Me do clean it. And a dog do that. I'm not going to prove it to him. She dig and she dig till she find something. She said, look, panda, dog name Jim Milling. She never stop dig till she find the pumpkin. And the two Jojo where me name this morning. The way me get mad, they say, look, Missy String, when you are try prove, no have no meaning. Me look pan it and say, dog no name dumpling. She say, yes, that's a true, but what about the tambourine? Woman. Where now? Yeah, hear me now? You're the tune. You're the tune of the year. Mama, yeah, hear me now? I sing. Mama have a one, daddy have him one. Anything them have, you better leave that. And me say yo, me say quiet. Boy, I tell you. Sweat run off of me like water. Ice cream. Eh? Ice cream. Mama have a one, daddy have him one. Anything them have, you better leave that alone. You are your own a dog, get your own a bone. Be your own a man to live in a your own a home. And don't depend on mommy. If you dead left, no will not depend on your daddy. If you pay no light, don't depend on nobody. Show the whole of them you're independent somebody. Boy, it's not a good intention. Sit down and a bleach for your grandmother pension. If mama no cook, you go sit down up a denton. Lay away the pot for taste a piece of the Trenton. Couple bulla by your own come and a defend one. Everybody thinks you sit down and a depend pan. All away for mama bed to put your pick in them pan. Over granny will you all go broke contention. Suppose one day mama say look Mr. Mention. Time you hit the road go make your own invention. Where you woulda do it's a bad mention. If you did a walk you no in a no tension. Now you drop a road no and nobody fi bend pan. Big gun you pick up it you a go depend. But policeman a go shut you down in a the redemption. Lucky you no dead if you end up at the. I sing me say mama have a one, daddy have him one. Anything them have you better leave that alone. You own a dog, get you on a bone. Be you own a man to live in a you own a home. And don't depend on mommy. If you get left now will not depend on daddy. If you pay your light bill don't depend on nobody. I walk over me your zone, live a greater port more in a them own little home. I never have to go a New Kingston, go Rome, go catch man fi buy cement, black and stone. You know must come on me to start a biz. Out a pack of cigarette and couple box of matches. I never pick up no gun and go think negative. Go use gun fi take no innocent life. But some man sit down and not think positive. Every day them get up, nothing constructive. See you up on the road and go about your business. Draw down, father, your turn relative. With a bag of sweet mouth and complimentary. You're the wickedest thing in a father. Touch me then. Rigmarole and Nancy story. Then him take time coming with the boy you want to see. Father John said, nothing not going for me. It's like a God send you coming up, Father, not see you from. Man, me there only you and Missy we could have deal with that thing, you know, Father, trust me. Then give you one look there like a poting puppy, like a when sufferation the pan donkey. Boy! Get out of here! Mr. Man, the way a man request lyrics, me just feel like a jukebox. I laugh there. That I laugh off a smiley man. Yeah. Anyway. Trust me. How about that? I will poop out that a while ago. Oh, I'm poop it. Ah, wait now. Tap a rhythm. Again, give you a rest. You have to play. Wait now. Not good. Not good. How you mean? Respect to the Portmore crew. Yeah. Wait now. Listen to this. Go back, sir. My brother not saying all of this. Go fine. Let's go now. Jimmy brother come home one night and the pan. Listen me now. Yo, now listen me. Just collect something no man. Yeah man, listen me. Jimmy brother come home from work one night and the pan. I feel me house that you know. And me I go in that bubble clat. So him go so boom and him go inside and lock the door. Nobody not tell him say him in there, you know, and a female, you know. Guess what chat to him? Jerry and nephew. Hear him ratting. Let me not tell him, say, I feel me blood clot house this. I'm in a dish. And I go around to the bedroom. So him walk go around to the bedroom. When him look on the bed, him wife lay down naked. And him turn up and say, them not telling you, say, this is my blood clot bed. And look who they night. My wife, naked. Him go so bloom and lay down side of him wife. Now hug up her face. And go so. But you don't know what? I head the down there so. And him a look for the bottom. And him stay so. But through him junk, him not regalize. A new vocabulary, man. So him hug up her bottom and the pan. Wife, you know, say your jaw look fat and puffy, no bumbo like. Kiss me. Quiet. Yeah, your jaw them fat and brown and puffy and soft with two little bum. Kiss on me rock. Mwah. Wait, no? You know how his jaw, the batty jaw. And him look pan the face where he must see on the pan. But wife, me like how your jaw them fat and puffy and tan good. But me not love how your mouth smell. No! I don't love how your mouth smell. Where you didn't name make your mouth smell so? The bottom say, fish. Get out of here. Him say fish. You hear it loud enough, in junk na ras. Him say fish. Fish. Little leg fish. You and your mouth think so. How much fish you did and yam the bottom goes out? Him say 2 fish, 2 little leg fish. 2 little, then 10 minutes, I must cock pilot to the Daniam. And what kind of fish is the Daniam? The bottom says, rat. Hey. All right. Okay. Eh? Eh? The bourbon. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Me respect the item, you know. Everybody up here have a joyful soul. And you know why? You know why me respect the people them up here, so? You see, from me a rider come up on the road there, the place clean. No, believe me. Where up here's your name again? Ken Shot. Hope Town. Whether Hope or Ken. Me I go say it again. The place clean. And you not breathe a good ear up here, so you not breathe it down the ear where the whole pack car them a pass. You must fit you out. Give me the rhythm. Yeah. Hey, hey. Hey. Listen me now. Every time a boy come for test you know, tell them the country you come from. And you tell them this if them test you know. Boy, no make me name Susumba. Beat the jump and shout I am a kumba. Write up your name on piece of parchment paper. Magna pick up your little bumbo later. Yes boy, no make me dig up me hobia. Broke coconut a buckle of cream soda. Mix donkey shit in a kananga water. Make we see how wood it up with them a go start. Boy, pass when they come set. How are they? Hobia. Toss it. Hold it down. All of the man who feed pan steam fish and okra make me so know on them. All of the man them. Yeah. As some man fi eat. Forget fit. You know why? You know why you don't forget fit? Play lower than that. Listen me youth. Why you don't forget fit? Woman, yeah, you better listen now youth. Me say, we tell them. Woman don't need no leap a bag of romance again. Them want the good loving figure boast for them friend. Woman don't want no man with no tiny jack plug fi tickle them make them laugh and no know fi make. She want the high tension plug in her socket. 1,000 volts see hold it and shock it. Rubber and electricity was sharp like me. Make she run left her bikini and fly out like a. Put on enough a pet, you must hold that and chop it. God put it upon woman, fi man, clap it. French cut, pop it. Bingo baggy, drop it when you're done. She have to use cold water and stop it. That's right. Man, a woman fi code. Say! Jano, I gotta take a break. Now take a break and come back. No, me need a break, man. Yes, sir, I need a break. I gotta take a break and come back. Come here, shot. Give the man a break, Jano.
Wagwan ENT.